Welcome back to Barn Garage Barbecue. Up here in New England, it's getting chilly. Real chilly. And you know what that means? Comfort food. Today I'm gonna be doing some mac and cheese. Not any ordinary mac and cheese. I'm gonna be doing a buffalo chicken mac and cheese. I'm gonna be doing it on the Yoder YS640s. You ready to do this? Let's go! Alright, let's get our chicken breast seasoned up. I just got some split chicken breast. Hit them up with a little bit of oil. Rub it on there. We're going to be using Uncle Steve's competition bird powder on this. This is some pretty tasty stuff right here. It's going to give it a nice little dusting. Flip these over. Hit them up again with a little bit of oil. And with the Uncle Steve's. Show them these hang out in the fridge for a little while. Get that Yoder fired up. We'll be back. Alright, we got the Yoder fired up. We're gonna get this chicken breast on. I'm going on the top shelf with them. Set at 350. Just gonna let those roll for a while. I'll be back to check on them. We'll be back. All right, let's get our cheese sauce going. We're going with about 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt up a little bit there. We'll get some flour in there. Probably about 3 tablespoons or so. Just want to cook this flour down a little bit. We don't want to taste raw flour. All right, it's been a couple minutes or so. We'll get some milk in here. Choosing regular, ordinary milk. You could use heavy cream if you wanted to. Probably a couple cups right there. We get a whisk here. Want this just to thicken up just a little bit and warm up. We'll start throwing our cheese in there. All right, we got our milk mixture up to a little simmer. We're gonna add a pound of Velveeta. A little at a time. Next, I'll go in with some mild cheddar. Maybe about a cup. You can see it's already starting to thicken up on us. You got some smoked cheddar. About a cup. Colby Jack. About a cup. Definitely gonna thin this out a little bit. Throw a little bit more milk in there. Maybe a little more than half a cup. Looking pretty good, but we're not done. Pepper jack. About a cup. Couple slices of provolone cheese. Get that in there. Couple slices of just regular American cheese. Get that in there. Mix. This is one big pot of ooey gooey goodness right here. This sauce right here will be the best sauce you've ever had with macaroni cheese. Trust me on this one. I also have a little bit of smoked Gouda with bacon. Gotta get a little bacon in there. Probably about a cup. Keep stirring. Let me get a taste on this here. Now I'm gonna be adding in some Uncle Steve's original into this here. You can add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, some paprika. If you don't have any Uncle Steve's, I suggest you get some. About a tablespoon right there. I'll link Uncle Steve's website down below. Check it out. Get a little taste. That's perfect right there. Let me shut that down. I'll grab my noodles. We'll get this up into a pan and we'll be back. All right, we got some pasta in the bowl here. Let's get some cheese on there. Give that a little mix. Ooey gooey goodness right there. I'm going with a little bit more cheese in there. And now, some bacon. Cooked up, crumbled up. Get that in there. Give that a little mix. I'm gonna toss this into a 8-inch large cast iron pan. Get our pan, butt it up. Right down in there. Come back over the top with a little bit more sauce. This is not going to be lacking cheese, I'll tell you that right now. And we'll finish it off with, let's go with just a little bit of cheddar. We're gonna get this up on the Yoder. We'll meet you up when we're outside. We'll be right back. All right, we got the Yoder set at 250. Let's get it up on the top shelf here. I'm gonna be hitting that up with a little bit of the Uncle Steve's again, the original. Right there. Just a little dusting. I'm gonna close that up, let that go. We'll be back in a little while, check on it. We'll be back. All right, let's get our buffalo sauce ready. Half a stick of unsalted butter. 2 cloves of garlic minced. Get that going down. You can already smell the garlic going. Coming back with some Frank's Original. About a half a bottle. That was a little shy. So a little bit of that one. Give that a little whisk. Hit it up with a little of Uncle Steve's spicier. Maybe a teaspoon. Whisk that in. And I'm gonna come back with a little bit of honey. Maybe a teaspoon or so. Just let that go for a few. Get some of our chicken in that we did on the Yoder earlier. Then Uncle Steve's competition bird powder is some mighty tasty stuff.
Yeah!
Just gonna let this simmer for a few. We'll go check on our mac and cheese outside. We'll be right back. That is looking good. Let's get it back in the house. Let's plate her up. All right. Let's get a buffalo chicken right up on top. Oh man. This smells awesome. Come back with a little bit of blue cheese. Another layer of cheese there. And some green onions. And that is my buffalo chicken mac and cheese. All right, let's get a taste test. Some buffalo chicken on there. That right there is awesome. That is comfort food at its finest. It's really not that hard to do. Tons of cheese. And you need some Uncle Steve's. I'll link them down below. Thanks for watching.